Today, I'm going to show you how to change your display name in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. This is a simple setting, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing to find. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps from start to finish so you can update your name in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. It really helps the channel out and it lets me know to make more videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change your display name. Once you're in, look to the top of the page and click the profile icon. This is usually where your account picture or user initials appear, and it gives you access to your account options. After clicking the profile icon, a menu should appear. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage your personal information and other account details. Now that you're in settings, look for the section that shows your given name. Next to it, you should see an option that says Update Given Name. Click that option to start editing your name. A text box will appear, and this is where you can enter your new name. Type in the display name you want to use. Make sure it's spelled correctly and looks exactly how you want it to appear on your account. Once you've entered the new name, click Update to save the changes. ElevenLabs will process the update, and your display name should now be changed on your account. And that's it. You've just updated your display name in ElevenLabs in a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more step-by-step tech guides, app tutorials, and AI tool tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.